What comes to your mind when you think about Sichuan food? If you enjoy eating Sichuan food, then we are sure you are a true food lover.
Sichuan food is outright explosive and just bursting with flavors. It is garlicky, pungent, fiery, tongue-numbing, and it is mind-blowing. No wonder Chengdu, the capital city of Sichuan, was named the City of Gastronomy by UNESCO. That in itself speaks volumes about Sichuan cuisine.
To celebrate yet another great Sichuan dish, today we are making Dan Mian or Dan Noodles. Hi, I'm Shanaz and welcome to Naz It Up. Before we begin, I would like to share why we have not been posting videos for some time lately. In this pandemic, I lost my support, my rock, my dearest father. He was a loving husband, loving father, grandfather, a revered police officer of Assam who served Assamese police with utmost honesty and kindness. We are truly going to miss him so much. I would like to say a big thank you to all friends and family who encouraged me to get back to work and start cooking again. So thank you so much for that. Without further ado, let's get started. Like I promised, there'll be more Sichuan food on the channel. The last one I cooked for you guys was Bang Bang chicken. I'll put up a link here. Do check it out, guys. Today I'm cooking this beautiful, hunger-evoking noodle dish called Dan Mian, also known as Dan Noodles. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and while you're watching, do not forget to hit the like button. Dan Noodles is another great yet simple recipe. You can use any minced meat here, any protein of your choice. You can use pork, chicken, tofu, or mushrooms if you want to keep it vegetarian, but today I'm cooking it with some minced chicken. I'm going to quickly stir fry the chicken. I have my wok heated up here. To this I'm adding just a drizzle of oil, adding some garlic, as soon as the garlic sizzles, throw in the chicken. I'm keeping the meat really simple. Only some light soy sauce, some pepper, and some 5 spice. You will require to add some salt here, but I'll first check how salty my mustard pickle is. Mine is actually super salty. So pickled mustard greens are easily available at any Asian grocery store. You can either pickle them at home or buy them. And I like to buy them in bulk and keep them stored in the refrigerator. Just chop the pickled mustard green finely. Sometimes you do find already minced pickled mustard greens. That works fine as well. And in goes my mustard pickle. This pickle just takes your minced meat to just another level. I highly recommend you use this not only for Dan noodles, but also for any meat stir fry you're cooking. Almost done. Dan noodle is the noodle dish, and I'll be cooking some noodles in this boiling water. Goes in. As soon as the noodles are ready, I'm throwing in some veggies. You can either use bok choy, broccoli, or whatever green veggies you really like. I'm straining excess water from cooked veggies. I'm safely storing my veggies, don't want them to get cold. Then I'm transferring my noodles as well. Now I'm going to prepare the taste bud titillating sauce for our Dan Noodles. This sauce is amazing. It's like I'm gathering all culinary wonders of Sichuan region into one bowl. You can either use Chinese sesame paste or the Middle Eastern regular tahini. And if you don't have either, you can use some peanut butter mixed with some sesame oil. To this, I'm adding my super amazing homemade chili oil. You guys have to make this at home. I have a very simple video on how to make this amazing Sichuan chili oil at home. So I'll put up the link somewhere here. Next, some Sichuan peppercorns freshly crushed. Makes a huge difference compared to store-bought ready-made pepper powder. Then I'm adding some light soy sauce, followed by Chinese black vinegar. Chinese black vinegar is malty, has a complex flavor, and I don't know if it's only me, but I can taste a subtle hint of sweetness in it. Then I'm adding some crushed garlic, just a pinch of salt and sugar, followed by a dash of hot water from the water in which I cooked the noodles and veggies. Mix well and this is ready. Very gently I'm placing the noodles over the sauce, then followed by minced meat and the Bok Choy. I'm obviously preparing 2 bowls. You can garnish the Dan noodles either with some spring onions or some cilantro, some sesame seeds, and that is it. We are ready to eat. Just make sure to toss everything together. Mix well, mix everything from bottom to top. And take a big bite.
This looks amazing. Give me a second.
I can't wait.
Big bite?
Big bite.
Sauce is so creamy. I love it. Must be the sesame. It's playing so well with the chili oil. Oh man, so good. It tastes amazing.
Yeah. My noodles are just bathing in this amazing sauce. Love it.
And the mustard greens, that pickly, tangy flavor, is complementing the chicken so well.
You have to make this at home, guys. It's so simple and it just hits the spot.
Sichuan food never disappoints, right? It's been such a favorite of ours. I remember the bang bang chicken you cooked.
Oh, amazing.
And you have to check out that video, guys. And the chicken was delicious. And then this amazing chili sauce. This pretty much goes in everything I eat nowadays. So yeah, Sichuan food has just been amazing for us, and especially for our love for chili.
Yeah. We'll continue eating. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I'm still chewing my food. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.